Goodlivers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this cute Valentine candy holder. Actually, it's for my Glitter Queens blog hop today. If you want to click on the link down below, you can follow along with this amazing group of stampers. We're having our monthly blog hop, and the theme is Love is in the Air. So not only for Valentine's Day, but you might just get some ideas for just your person that you love. All right, so I'm going to make this one today, and I'm going to still use this greeting, but I'll show you a few other stamp sets that you could use with that whole love theme. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're using the Flirty Flamingo, and this piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 5 3/4, and we're going to score this together. And we're also using the All My Love designer paper, and this piece is cut at 1 5/8 by 2 1/8, and then this piece is cut at 2 1/8 by 3 1/2. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our paper trimmer. Okay, so we're going to score on the 5 3/4 inch side across the top, and the first score line is going to be at 1 3/4, and then scoot it down to 2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and fold our score lines. All right, now we're going to grab our detailed trio punch. We're going to do some corner rounding. We're going to corner round these 2 points and these 2 points, and we're going to also do the designer paper too. Okay, so we're also going to be corner rounding the designer paper, making sure you have it going in the right direction, especially if it's directional designer paper. So my paper is going to go like this. So I'm going to corner round these 2 points up here. And then this piece is going to sit down here, so we're going to corner around these 2 points. All right, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. I'm going to stamp on some Whisper White. And the stamp set I'm using is the Fabulous Flamingo, and we're using this greeting that says, I love you, kind of a lot. I love that greeting. So we're going to use the Memento ink for that. Stamp that. I'm going to punch this out with the 1 1/2 inch circle punch. And then we're going to use the Sparkle Glimmer paper. We're going to punch that out with the 2 inch circle punch. Okay, we're going to layer these together. Pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, so now we're going to layer our designer paper onto our little candy holder. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, how cute. All right, now we're going to use some ribbon. Let me grab that. Okay, so we're going to use this Flirty Flamingo ribbon, and this is from the All My Love ribbon combo pack. And we're going to use this ribbon here, and we're going to double it. Y'all know I love doubling this ribbon lately. So we're just going to double that. Hopefully I have enough for tying a knot and tying a bow. Let me get my scissors. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and wrap this around the flat part right here. So we're just going to tie this up. This is going to seal up the sides so your candy bar or whatever you're putting in your pocket doesn't slip out the sides. So first we're going to tie it in a knot. Okay, and then we're going to tie it in a bow. Okay, we're going to trim that off. Okay, isn't that cute already? Okay, now you're going to notice on where we scored the bottom of our holder, you're just going to push that up so it's flush at the bottom. And then you're just going to go ahead and pop that open, and then you can put your little piece of candy, which I have these little Hershey's Peanuts and Pretzels, Hershey's Gold. So that will fit in there. And then my other one, which I'll show you here in a second, is the Kit Kat bar. Okay, so then we can put our greeting right over here to the side. I'm going to actually scoot this over a little bit. You can move your ribbon up as well, just so that it holds that candy a bit nicer. Okay, so it forms a little pocket, and then we can put our greeting here. So let me show you some other stamp sets that you can use for Valentine's or just for somebody that you love in your family or a friend. Okay, so here's one that I used, the Hey Valentine, and that's from the Hey Love stamp set, and this is from the Occasions catalog, and it's right here, Hey Valentine. So you could put this as well on your little candy holder. Let me grab it. So you can put it up at the top or down here at the side. And then I thought this one was really cute, You're Sweet. That can just go right there. That's using the 1-inch circle punch with the 1/8 scallop circle punch. And that stamp set is from Seasonal Chums. Let me show you that. So here's that stamp set, and it's right here, You're Sweet. And then one more. So here's the Happy Valentine's Day. You can put that right here if you want. Pop that up on dimensionals. And that's from the Forever Lovely stamp set, which looks like this. And that's right here. You can barely see it, but it's really small. Happy Valentine's Day is right there. So we're just going to go ahead and use the Fabulous Flamingo. How cute is that? So you can stamp the back as well if you want to make these for your children's classmates, and you can stamp to and from or another greeting on the back side. But what a cute little gift. So let me bring in the other one. Okay, so then here's the one that's holding the Kit Kat. So cute. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then if you like today's video, make sure you click the like button. And then if you love today's video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.